There's a reason I let that happen, and that is that there is a solution to that problem that I didn't know existed until just recently. I found out how these work, and something I never realized, thought that was a solid piece in there, but this goes, there's a piece that goes inside, that goes inside this, and like this. There's a little O-ring on there. It goes, just slides in like that. So the kit I bought gives you 2 of those and 2 of those set screws, and in a kit. $8 I think is what I paid for them. A few dollars for shipping, but $8. I got 4 of them. I figured eventually they're going to wear, and this time I've got them. This is a Pegasus blade holder, and some of the other blade holders use that same piece. This goes in from the right side. There's that set screw on the other side. Now there's the slot in the middle that the blade goes into. That set screw comes in from the left, this comes in from the right, and they meet in the middle and squeeze the blade together. Now when I put that new part in there, I could tell there's a little bit of give to it, and that part on the thumb screw, the thumb screw, I could feel it actually move a little bit, and so I think that's what happens is the O-ring gets worn and it's not flexible anymore. So I replaced both the upper and the lower. It makes sense to do them both at the same time, especially for that price, and it was working fine last night, and I think I solved the problem, like I said, for only $8.